Okay, so I'm downstairs, and they have this side finished, kind of finished for dining. And then they have, or sorry, family room. And then this side is storage. So we're gonna go and explore this side first. But I did notice that it's colder down here. And the walls aren't really finished. And I don't know why they have this. I'm not gonna open it. I don't know if water gets in there or not. It smells damp down here. There's a fireplace down here. Wood stove. Bet you it heats really good. But this looks like foundation repair. Maybe. All the way across. And if they just threw mortar over it, it doesn't really fix it. That goes into the other side. Oh no. Scary. This is the double doors where the Leaning Tower of Pisa was. So I'm guessing they have that blocked off for a reason.